Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the backpack from the company BANGE, B-A-N-G-E. I hope I'm saying that correctly. With all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So they have various different backpacks on their site. And I went with this one, nicely packaged, sealed in plastic. Let's get it open, let's take a look at it. The plastic was sealed so nice I had to use a pocket knife to open it. Now if you do that, make sure you be careful and you don't cut your backpack. Wow, look at this thing. This is awesome. So they have various different colors. What I loved about this one is that it was white. It's hard to find a white backpack. And I know people were probably thinking, oh, that's gonna be hard to keep clean, but I travel a lot. I love the idea that if I'm in a room, if I'm in a conference, if I'm on the plane, I'll be able to identify my bag because it'll likely be one of the few white ones. It's a nice cloth material. Cloth bottom as well. It's got the padded back. We have a zipper compartment. Wow, zippers are nice and smooth. Got a little pouch to put some stuff in the back area. Got an opening here to put it around your suitcase. A lot of different storage compartments. Hopefully you're gonna be able to see this okay. I'll try and attach some maybe still shots to give you a better look at it. Let's see, what else can we look at? Wow, you guys, the quality of this thing, especially at the price point it's at, is really good. Everything is packaged really well. Even plastic around the strap here. Take that off. It's got their logo, or their name I should say, the brand name. A nice strap. This is the mid-size bag for a 15.6 laptop. Lots of space in there and opens completely up. Velcro enclosure. Got a slot there. Slot there. Again, zippers. Trying out all the zippers just to make sure. Really nice aesthetics on the bag. Again, we've got a zipper compartment on this side as well. What's cool with the two compartments is they don't connect, they're separate compartments. So you can have something on the right, something on the left. So there's so many compartments on this bag, it's hard to show you everything, but I'm gonna show you my favorite one. I mentioned you've got this outside compartment up here, you've got two compartments on the side there. If you open this one, you basically have an area for stuff that needs to stay dry. You'll notice the ventilation holes that are here. You've also got some little slots here for other items. You've got this little pouch that's connected to this outside pouch. It looks to be kind of a cooler material, so if you're needing to put, a sandwich or food or something like that, maybe a Coke, you could put it there. You've got another storage compartment right here. I mean, this thing has tons of storage compartments. You'll notice this little thing though, you've got a power cord. It's got a USB end as well as a Type-C end. And what you're going to do with that is you're going to put in your power supply. You can put it anywhere you want to. That is connected to this little thing here. You've got your power supply in there. And then on the outside, you've got this little flap. It's a nice hard plastic flap, and when you open it up, that's where you have your USB as well as your Type-C input. So if you want to be charging your phone, sitting at an airport, listening to your music, anything like that, it's really nice and versatile. I think that's about all to show you. Straps are nice and smooth to adjust. You have a plastic holder here for staff badge or something like that. Perfect. The one you're looking at is model 2833 and the color is white. Really nice bag. Can't wait to get all my stuff into it. I hope that gives you an idea of what it looks like should you order it and get it in, what the quality is like. If you're looking for a good backpack or work bag, give this one a chance. Thanks for watching.